Welcome to the world of mixology. You are watching The Liquid Vibes. Today I will show you how to make 3 exciting lychee drinks in just 3 minutes. So let's start by filling half of the glasses with crushed ice. Perfect. Now pour about 45 milliliters of lychee syrup in all 3 glasses. I hope you will love these color-changing vibrant lychee drinks. You can use these recipes in your next party. Or even you can use these for your mocktail bar. Perfect. Next, pour a little soda to dilute the syrup. Awesome. Now quickly mix soda and lychee syrup. If you like this video, please don't forget to give a big thumbs up. Perfect. Now fill up the glass with lots of crushed ice. Perfect. Now again pour a little chilled soda. Great. Next pour about 15 milliliters of blue Curacao in the middle glass. And then pour about 30 milliliters of butterfly Pea Tea. Beautiful. Next pour about 30 milliliters of Hibiscus Tea in the third glass. Awesome. Now carefully pour about 15 milliliters of lemon juice in all 3 glasses, and you will see the amazing color-changing effects. I hope you are enjoying this video. Next, garnish these beautiful drinks with orange slices and mint sprig. I will be happy if you make these beautiful drinks and share your experience with me. Thanks for watching The Liquid Vibes. See you soon with more exciting recipes. Till then, keep watching and enjoy.